Press and hold the door close button. Now light. Now it's good to go to the second floor. That's the same thing, just hold the door close button until it does that little compress thing. You might have to open it again, you didn't hold it down long enough.
Which is the up?
Hit the open button, this thing's finicky. Hit the door close button, mash it down, hold it down hard. Now it's going to work, wait. All right, take it down to 1 foot. Down here, or we can end up on 2. The choice is yours.
I will end here.
All right, and there's actually a button to close the door on the outside if you want to get the door closing. So now, he can see the elevator museum in the back. Hope he is.